Why gold beats stocks for 401k retirement portfolios. In today's uncertain economy, many investors are rethinking their retirement strategies. Stock market volatility, inflation, and global instability have left many 401k savers vulnerable. That's why more retirees are turning to gold. If you've wondered why gold beats stocks for 401k retirement portfolios, get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here are 9 reasons why gold outshines stocks for 401k retirement planning. 1. Stocks are volatile, gold is steady, markets rise and fall sharply. A crash near retirement can devastate your savings. Gold often holds or gains value during crises. 2. Gold protects against inflation. As the cost of living rises, the dollar weakens. Gold typically climbs during inflation, preserving your purchasing power. 3. Diversification reduces risk. A portfolio built only on stocks is fragile. Gold often moves opposite of stocks, balancing risk and providing stability. 4. No credit or default risk. Companies can collapse and stocks can go to zero. Gold, as a tangible asset, carries no such risk. It always retains intrinsic value. 5. Proven for 5,000 years, empires rise and fall, currencies disappear, but gold has always remained a trusted store of value. 6. 401k to Gold IRA rollovers. You can move your 401k into a Gold IRA without taxes or penalties, letting you hold physical gold in a retirement account. 7. Central banks are buying gold. Global financial institutions are securing reserves with gold. Following their lead can help safeguard your own savings. 8. Strong in economic crises, recessions, debt crises, and banking failures often push gold higher, making it a reliable safety net. 9. Peace of mind for retirement. Retirement isn't just about growth, it's about security. Gold adds reassurance against sudden market shocks. Relying solely on stocks may not be the smartest strategy anymore. Adding gold provides stability, inflation protection, and centuries of proven value. By rolling over part of your 401k into a Gold IRA, you create a retirement plan that's both resilient and secure. That's why gold beats stocks for 401k retirement portfolios. It's the foundation for lasting peace of mind. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.